Are you looking for a creative way to make money with AI tools? Because in this video, I will be briefly summarizing and talking about the 3 different videos I recommend you to watch if you want ideas on how to make money with AI image generators. Before we begin, I'd like to let you know that all the videos will be linked in the description if you get interested in watching any of them after this video. First off, we have Yams' case video about making money with the AI image generator tool Midjourney. He walks you through the process step by step and provides examples of how to make money from the images. For instance, you can sell posters or clothes using print on demand. The tool is fast and easy to use, so nothing is stopping you from pumping out new products with high quality images. He also demonstrates how to find new ideas for new images using real data based on the demand for different motives within different niches. Personally, I found the images he created to be amazing, and he clearly shows you how to make similar images to these. I highly recommend you to watch this video if you want inspiration on how to use this AI tool to create cool things. Some of you may even get new ideas on how to generate money from these images instead of using print on demand. Next up, we have this video from Jensen Tung, where he tries selling different kinds of gigs on Fiverr in 30 days using another AI image generator. What I love about this video is the fact that he actually tries doing something himself and not only talk about how you in theory could make money. The value and quality of this video gets a 10 out of 10 as he shared the results, process and lessons in a very straightforward way and with high quality production. As you would see in the video, the results weren't terrible. You would also see that the results will follow the learning curve since he continuously adopted the new solutions to his problems and got even more and more customers. This only shows that this is a legit way of making money with an AI image generator on Fiverr, and as I mentioned earlier, I hope some of you will get creative and come up with other ways of making money using these tools. All in all, I highly recommend you to watch this video if you want something engaging and informative. Next, we have this video from Dylan Burrows. This is a really well made step-by-step guide on creating AI art with Midjourney, and also on how you would go about publishing your products on Etsy. His way of finding inspiration on what content to make differs from the first video I talked about. In this video, he looked back at already good performing posters as an example and made the AI create something new based on the poster that's proven to work. The video doesn't really include any filler content, and neither does it hype up this business idea and how much money you could potentially make with it, which I like. In other words, it's a great video. I recommend you to watch it if you want a straightforward video about this whole process. In conclusion, AI image generators can be a great way to make money, whether it's through Fiverr or Etsy. Yams' case video goes through step by step on how to generate these really cool images and giving different examples of how you could generate money with them. Jensen Tung's video shows the potential of Fiverr gigs, and Dylan Burrows' video is a great step-by-step guide on creating AI art with Midjourney and how to go about publishing your products on Etsy. With these 3 videos, you have more than enough information to get started and making money with AI. Now, please consider subscribing if you want to become a part of this channel where all of YouTube's best money-making related content will be summarized and recommended. All of the videos I talked about today will be linked in the description, easy for you to click onto the next video you're most interested in watching. Or you could watch any of my other videos right here.